In this video, let us discuss some of the best ways to make people to join a MLM company. Many people think that MLM is a scam and we need to break that mindset of the people and create trust. Then only they'll join the MLM company. To gain the trust of the people, the recruiter should have some certain qualifications, and I'll let you know in detail. Firstly, grow your skills. As a recruiter, you should have a updated version of good communication and marketing skills. Secondly, prepare for questions. Analyze what and all questions will be raised by the new member and prepare accordingly. Thirdly, introduce your products or services. Explain briefly about your product or service which you are going to offer. And next, understand your member. You should understand the mindset and the problems of the new member. And next, guide them accordingly. Based on the information which is given by the new member, need to guide them accordingly. And last, handle rejections. If a member rejects your proposal, you should be able to accept the rejection, then only you can move forward. To know more in detail, kindly contact the numbers which are displayed on the screen.